So question 17 of the no calculator section. So pause this video if you need to read this question. Okay, so please recall that the slope of the line that is perpendicular to the equation you're given is just the negative reciprocal. A reciprocal is just flipping the numerator and the denominator, and the negative is of course just a negative. So you just need to multiply a negative to the flipped version of the slope. And what is the slope now? By now you should know that it always follows the y equals mx plus b. And this is a linear equation. So m is going to be our slope, and m is currently -8. But we need to take the negative reciprocal. And -8 is just -8/1. And if you take the reciprocal, that's going to be -1/8. But remember, it's going to be a negative reciprocal. So this is pretty much like a linear equation question. And yeah, so flip it, -1/8, times it by a negative because it's a negative reciprocal, and you'll get 1/8. And since you're not asked on the constants or anything, you just need to focus on the slope. And if the line is perpendicular to the equation you're given now, the slope is the slope. But then remember that the constants might be different. So you can't just assume that the constant is going to be 7, right? So that's why if you're given like extra coordinates, you'd want to solve for the constants, but in this case, you're only asked about the slope. So just answering 1/8 or the decimal version of 1/8 will be okay. So thank you.